Mike Muller, Bar Down Baits. Gonna do some remelts today. That's gonna be the bottom. It's gonna be the top. Here we go. Take a look at these bad boys. Now, I'm not expecting a masterpiece by any means, but okay. Okay. Nothing wrong. We've got a lot of blue highlight. We got some black. We've got some green, and we've got some scuppernong. You can see that nice color down in the tail. Okay, one more shot here. We added 20 drops of dark watermelon. Let's see. Let's see. I've got my orientation right on the crappie mold here, so they should turn out better this time. Okay, with the addition of 20 drops of the dark watermelon to the top side, let's see if that had any effect. I think I got this one, I shot this one right, so it would produce a good laminate. Let's see. Yes. There's the top side, still kind of that disco-y vibe thing going on. A lot of stuff going on, but not bad for a remelt. Okay. That's acceptable. It's gonna just fish fine. Okay. There's that top. Bottom. Okay. Again, for a remelt, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay guys, there's the final product right there. I think they turned out pretty well. Adding that that dark watermelon, I think, added a little bit. Pretty noisy baits, but they will fish. Anyway, again guys, if you like my channel, check out Bar Down Baits and subscribe.